Alrighty y'all, once you have learned the entire pattern of Turkish Get-Up without weight, you're obviously ready to start using some iron. And there are some subtleties, especially in the setup, that are very, very important. So let's just take it through step by step. When you've got your kettlebell, obviously you want to just come down and lie right next to it. You don't want to have it like behind you so that you're like pulling it down in position or whatever. You want to set the bell where you want it, scooch up nice and close, all right? We're gonna get intimate with our bell here. So, to get into the first step, we're literally gonna roll over into this fetal position because we want our center of gravity in close to the actual bell. We don't want to be too spread out, and we want to use our own body as like a ball of mass, obviously, that we're going to use to leverage the weight. So this fetal curled up position is very important, even though it looks a little goofy. You're going to take your working arm, spear it through, okay? I like to bias the pinky side, right? So I'm really getting my pinky side into the pinky corner, right? Some people prefer the thumb, some people prefer middle, experiment. I like to set up right like so, right in the pinky. Grip tight. I'm going to use my opposite hand over top to help just leverage it right over. So my elbow is right up under the side of my ribs, and I'm just using my own mass to leverage it into position like so. Okay, so even if you're using super heavy weight, this setup will help. Okay, so from here, my elbow's in close, my shoulder's in a good position, and from here, I can either one arm floor press it, or I can use two hands to help myself up. I'm gonna use two hands, just same thing, wrapping over, giving myself a little push. All right, so keeping my shoulder down, keeping my armpit tight, my wrist is straight, my knuckles are to the sky, and now I'm ready to roll, okay? So that's it for this video, but same thing, when you come down, you want to bring your feet in, grasp it with your extra hand, pull it down, right back to this close elbow rib floor position, and then again, use your entire body to help bring it down under control, scooch out of the way, and there you have it. So, a lot of minute details there into how you're actually using your body weight to help save anything wacky going on with your arm or shoulder. Enjoy.